Let's take a look at this problem. We got negative 32x squared plus 76x minus 24. And I want to factor out GCF, and I'm not sure if I see it, but we'll try. First term is negative, so we'll bring out a negative. And I think the largest number divided in all those is a 4, but we'll see. And so negative 32 divided by negative 4 is 8x squared minus 76 divided by negative 4, which is negative. Let's see, 1 and 19x minus and or plus, because negative 24 divided by negative 4 gives you a plus 6. Let me double check this one. Okay, that looks good. So now we're going to use the key number, because we have x squared, x, no x, and there's a number for our x squared. Key number, we take our number to beginning times the number at the end, ignoring signs. So number to beginning times the number at the end, which gives us 48. We're going to create our three columns. P column, all the product gives us 48. We got 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, 6 times 8. The S column, S for sum. We want to add these together. 1 plus 48 is 49. 2 plus 24 is 26, 19, 16, 14. Difference column. We want to subtract smaller from larger. 48 minus 1 is 47. 24 minus 2 is 22. 13, 8, and 2. Number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 19, which is right here, which means we use 3 and 16. Now the negative 4 doesn't change anything, it just keeps carrying down out in front. And we're going to rewrite our middle term using those two numbers. So we're using 3 and 16. The larger number we're using, which is 16, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which is negative. So we got negative 16x. Number with circles in the S column, S for same signs, both positive, both negative. Since 16 was negative, then 3 will be negative. And then we want to factor by grouping. So group first two terms together and last two terms together. Now our first group, they have an 8x in common, and that gives us x minus 2. The second group has a negative 3 in common. Remember, if your first term is negative, you always bring out a negative. And that gives us x minus 2. Now our goal was to get this parentheses same as this, which they are. Now keep carrying down to negative 4. So bring out the x minus 2. And to see what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can come up here and cross out the x minus 2's. And what isn't crossed out inside the brackets, I could put right here, which was 8x minus 3. And that's our answer.